Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you how to create concrete. And it's not quite as simple as one might assume when making a giant colorful block of a very solid material like concrete. So the first thing you gotta do is you gotta get some sand, you gotta get some gravel, and you gotta get your favorite pigment that you want to use to make it colorful, because you cannot make concrete without it being colorful. No, literally, you can't. So the recipe is you're going to want 4 pieces of sand, and then you want 4 pieces of gravel, and then you want a color of like whatever your favorite color is. Maybe it's red, or maybe you want just white concrete, or maybe you want like blue. And that's going to give you 8 pieces of concrete powder. So let me go over here to the water's edge and switch to survival mode, and I'm going to show you the difference between concrete powder and concrete. So now that I'm in survival mode, I will show you that the way that you make concrete is you slap it down in the water, and the powder goes from being a powder to being a solid concrete, just like in real life. And now I have a piece of blue concrete. You can only pick this up with a pick, and then I can show you how it compares to the dust. So the powder is literally just colored sand that you can make yourself, and it's about as strong as sand and sounds and behaves the same, whereas concrete is much more durable, and it can only be picked up and harvested with a pickaxe. And it's not the most efficient thing that you can make as far as building materials goes, but it comes in every color you could possibly want under the sun. So yeah, if you have a particular pigment that you like that you want to use to make it, you can make that color of concrete or concrete powder that's almost like sand, and you can mix and match it to make decorative buildings, grounds, paths, whatever you want. So that's it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.